And I already put squares in here because we're gonna check it. So anyway, I'm gonna use some, man, the last 2 days, because it's been so nice outside, my allergies have been horrible. I'm just using Americana Gloss Enamel Paint. I'm gonna start in the center. And I'm not gonna try to be too perfect because I'm probably gonna take a sanding block to this and scuff it up anyhow, so it doesn't have to be perfect. First, I'm gonna put this right in the middle. Pray to God. A little bit of this purple. This is just the wax, the metallic wax from Posh Chalk in the color violet. But I'm doing everything, and I'm gonna take some metallic white because I want it to be like a softer purple, kind of like to match the thing. You know how much I love to blend my Posh Chalk, right? And then I'm gonna spray a little bit of water. I'm going to mix it together and hopefully it'll give me the right color. I do know that purple and white make lavender. Oh yeah, see, that just toned it down because I want it to match more of like, you know, the lighter, but kind of like my shirt. Oh, how funny, I didn't even realize it looks like my shirt, y'all. Some purple, there's not a lot on there. You sure you're gonna offload? I'm gonna listen to you, and then we're just gonna dab. And I'm going to get some more offload. Oh, look at how pretty. Now I just got to wash these, so I'll have to put that. So I'm just going to see how this works. This covers more of the transfer than these. So I am going to seal this and hope to God it won't. Now this is just triple thick Duraclear mix. This is going to give it a nice shine. And I'm just holding it up to the light because that way I'm going to be able to see it. And I'm only going to do the bottom half of the tray and up here on these sides, going up here, that little bit right there. See how that just gives it like a nice sheen? How easy this is. And I love doing, like, I spent all this morning blinging that bad boy out. So I just put a dot like on each thing, you know, where the checks interconnect. Now if there's a writing over it, like the D goes through there, I'm just gonna skip that one. But keep in mind that you're gonna go every other, so I'm gonna do purple, and you even have to take into consideration the ones that you skip. This looks so pretty. So that one would have been purple. So you cannot just make it look right, you have to keep it right. So that would have been purple, this will be white, because then it'll screw you up the rest of the way down. So look at how pretty. See how pretty we did that? You just add a little bit of sparkle. Now, my crazy mind goes, okay, well, we got to bling out the little the flowers, right? So see, like all these little centers of these little flowers here, I'll just dot some glue, and then you just go in. Now these are super tiny, and I have bad eyes, and then I'll just grab different colors. See? Do you see all? How we just dotted the center of that? I'll probably do those